In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a private message to a seller on eBay. Whether you have a question about a product, need clarification on shipping details, or just want to discuss specifics, knowing how to message a seller privately can be incredibly useful. Let's dive into the process so you can reach out to sellers with ease. First, you'll want to navigate to eBay's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in ebay.com. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log into your account. Enter your username and password to access your personal eBay dashboard. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up, which is free and easy, allowing you to not only send messages but also keep track of purchases and save items you're interested in. Next, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. Here, you'll want to type in the name of the item you're interested in. This could be anything from electronics to collectibles, whatever catches your eye. The key is to be as specific as possible to get accurate search results. After entering your search terms, hit Enter, and you'll be shown a list of options matching your query. Once you've found the item you're interested in, click on it to get more details. This will open a new page where you can see more about the product, such as its descriptions, photos, price, and shipping details. You'll also find information about the seller, which is crucial for the next step. Now look closely under the item's name or details where the seller's information is displayed. There you will find a link that says Contact Seller. Click on this link. This step will take you to a new page dedicated to messaging the seller. At this point, it's important to keep your message clear and concise. Whether you're inquiring about detailed product specifications, alternative shipping options, or any other concerns, it's helpful to state your need or question directly. If you're discussing a possible purchase or negotiation, be respectful and courteous to maintain a positive interaction. Remember that on eBay, clear and respectful communication can go a long way in ensuring a smooth transaction. If you and the seller can reach an understanding, you'll likely have a better buying experience. Be aware that sellers are not obligated to respond immediately, so allow some time for them to get back to you. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a private message to a seller on eBay, paving the way for further communication that could help STRI or clearance requests to be sure you're fully understood. Thank you for watching and happy shopping on eBay. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.